everyone, Anke here with a new product focus layout and process video featuring the gorgeous January hip kits. I'm a huge fan of metal dies, so today I'll focus on the exclusive January metal die kits. I use them to create the background of my layout and some embellishments. I start with the background of my layout, therefore I use the nested circle die set. I pick out 5 circle dies starting with the smallest and place them on my cardstock. I cut this cardstock to A4 size so I can use it with my big shot. I secure the dies with washi tape to keep them in place. Run cardstock and dies through my big shot. And here is the result. Now I repeat the process and place the dies in the other half of my cardstock. So this will be my layout background. Then I add my photos. I use foam pads to adhere the photos to add dimension. Pierce holes around one of the circles because I want to add some stitching. the circles with pieces of the Hippie Club exclusive Kaleidoscope Spectacular paper. Therefore, I cut out 2 circles using a larger die and adhere them with foam pads. I cut out 4 circles from the same paper to create a dimensional element. I fold the circles in the middle and sew them together. Before I continue embellishing the circles, I back my page with another piece of white cardstock and then I add a piece of the spectacular paper which I cut to 9 by 12 inches. I adhere the dimensional circle element and then I pick out some die cuts from the mixed ephemera pack which is included in the January main kit. embellish another circle using the puffy sequins from the January Pocket Life kit. For the title, I choose one of the chipboard phrases from the January main kit. I also add a rainbow puffy sticker to the stitched circle and another puffy sticker to one of the small circles. To embellish the larger circles, I combine some of the floral die cuts which you can find in the January embellishment kit with some flowers which I cut out using the metal dies. More chipboard stickers and one of the cardstock stickers which are included in the January Pocket Life kit. Finally, I add some black color splatters and some of the puffy sequins. My layout is finished and I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.